Exquisite herb-crusted salmon. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs, preferably panko, 1 tablespoon finely chopped fresh dill, 1 tablespoon finely chopped fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon finely chopped fresh chives, zest of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Let's dive into the realm of culinary finesse and create this delightful masterpiece. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Take your beautiful salmon fillets and pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial to achieve a perfectly crisp crust. Step 3. Time to awaken your taste buds. Generously spread a thin layer of Dijon mustard over the top of each salmon fillet. This adds a touch of tangy sophistication to your dish. Step 4. In a bowl, combine the breadcrumbs, fresh herbs, dill, parsley, and chives, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. Mix them together like a symphony of flavors. This herbaceous blend will elevate your salmon to new heights. Step 5. Now, sprinkle the herb mixture over the mustard-coated side of the salmon fillets, gently pressing it down to form a delightful crust. Step 6. In a skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat until it shimmers like a diamond. Place the salmon fillets, crust side down, in the skillet. Let them sizzle and sear for about 2 minutes, until the crust turns golden brown and crispy. Step 7. Once the crust is beautifully crisp, transfer the salmon fillets to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, crust side up. Pop them into the preheated oven for approximately 10 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked to your desired level of doneness. Step 8. Remove the salmon from the oven and let it rest for a minute or 2, allowing the flavors to mingle and intensify. Step 9. Serve your masterpiece with a sprinkle of fresh herbs and a wedge of lemon on the side. Your guests will be amazed by your culinary prowess. Take a moment to appreciate the aroma, the delicate flavors, and the satisfaction of creating a sophisticated dish. Bon appetit!